Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today, we're going to take a look at the Veymax Roadster X4. In this bustling city, finding an eco-friendly way to travel not only allows us to explore the urban beauty, but also reduces our environmental footprint. That's where the green commute adventure comes in. Veymax Roadster X4 electric skateboard, your ultimate companion for city cruising. The Veymax Roadster X4 boasts numerous impressive features. Firstly, its body, constructed from 8 layers of Canadian maple and 1 layer of fiberglass, ensures durability. With 4 speed modes and a top speed of 46 km/h, you can enjoy thrilling rides in the city. Additionally, the Roadster X4 is equipped with 105mm jelly wheels, providing a more stable and comfortable riding experience. Its battery, utilizing EV 18,650 to 1,500 mAh cells, offers a whopping 216 Wh capacity, giving you a range of up to 21 kilometers. Whether it's commuting or weekend adventures, the Veymax Roadster X4 handles it all with ease. As one of the most cost-effective choices, the Veymax Roadster X4 brings you ultimate enjoyment without breaking the bank. It's your best companion for city cruising and the ideal choice for the green commute adventure. With the Veymax Roadster X4, we can explore the city to the fullest, enjoy the fun of green commuting, and contribute to environmental protection. The Roadster X4s provide a longer range for extra needs. It'll be your best companion if you consider the longer range. Thank you for watching. If you're ready to join the green commute adventure, come experience the Veymax Roadster X4. For more details, visit our official website. Thanks for watching. See you next time.